Well, hello, all you scrappy friends. This is Giselle from Scrapbook Nerd, and I've just received a nice box of goodies. So it's Scrappy Mail Day for me. And on top of that, I am going to crop and create as we speak, so it came just in time. So let's open it up and see what we got. Well, there we go. Scrapbook Nerds always sends you a nice little container, or not container, but little box. With this one is great. Yum. Okay, let's start out with another with a tool that I got. It's an EK tool, and it's deactivates adhesive on stickers. It's the powder tool, and I was looking for that, so I'm going to try that this weekend and see how that works. I also got in my box of goodies this collection by Pink Fresh, and it's called Be You. And it has some lovely things. Now let's see if I can trade hands and do this so I can do the pages of paper. There we go. These are all the papers in the collection. And I'm filming right by my patio door so you can see all the nice colors. And that is Pink Fresh BU. This is the 6x6 paper pad. I only got the 6x6 paper pad, but I have all the other goodies that go with it. So here's one of the first goodies, and they're hearts, different size hearts. And they're all different colors. They have the, they're all the same colors as the alphas. Now I'll list those in a second. Next up are the stars, all the same colors as well as the hearts and the alphas. They're large stars. So, okay, if I get my thumb there, you can see what size they are. And there's the littler ones and the big ones. And here are the alphas. And the alphas I got all the colors, and you can tell they're three-dimensional. They're puffy stickers, and this color is gray. Next up is the green. It would be great for St. Patty's. It's a really nice green. Then I have the yellow. It kind of has a greenish tinge to it, but it's really yellow. It's kind of hard because the my light is not very good, but because it's cloudy out today. And these are the pink ones. And at first look, you think these were black, but they are not. They are navy. And I'm glad to see that the alphas also have numbers. And this one is called light blue. And last but not least, my favorite color, orange. Orange, and I love orange. And usually orange letters are hard to find for some reason. All right, let's see what we got here. Simple Stories. This is the travel notes, bits and pieces. And I won't open up the package, but I'll show you what's in the package. Lots of nice things there. There's a bicycle, a little car with suitcases on the top, and adventure, and journey, and wander, and so on and so forth. Plane. And it goes with this collection. Travel Notes. Travel Notes by Simple Stories. And I'm showing you the package, and I'm going to zoom in on all the different things that go with it, the stickers, and then there's some 6x6 paper, not paper cards, but 6x6 cut aparts and 4x4s, and that is Simple Stories Travel Notes. And I got a second collection from Simple Stories, and this one is called Bliss. And these are the bits and pieces from that collection. And this is what they look like on the inside. Today, lovely, hello, happy, lots of flowers and such. Hearts, an umbrella, boots. Even though we've had a storm last night, we have another storm coming up. These are nice spring colors. And the collection of paper is Bliss, and I love the purple and the green that's in here. So really nice. Oh, look at that cute little bird. Love that. Simple Stories. Bliss. And here is the inside with the stickers. And my last collection I got from Simple Stories also is called Dance. And my grandnieces are in gymnastics and dance, and so I like to do a lot of pages about them. And if anybody has been following me, you should know that by now. But anyways, and this one's called Dance. And it has some stickers inside as well. So for me, that almost looks like a gymnast jumping and not a dance move. So we'll see what we end up doing. Anyways, ladies, I'm on my way to Crop and Create to meet all my scrappy peeps. I hope you have a wonderful day and that you get to go scrapping as well. Bye for now.